the earrings are swinging in fear of being pursued by their mother-in-laws or father-in-laws or their own mothers and fathers running behind them in the forest. Where are you going? It's midnight. In the middle of the forest, so dangerous. How you run out of the house like this? You've gone crazy? No, it's not because of that. There's a deeper reason. First of all, the mystery here is the mystery behind Kundal. Kundal. Kundal means earring. But in Krishna Lila, Sri Krishna Ji, Shyam Sundar, Govinda, he wears very characteristic kundal, earrings. And these are called makar. Makar kundal. Kundal means earring. Makar means these are earrings that have the design, if you see them cut and designed, they're in gold or silver, with jewels embedded in them, very beautiful. And they hang from Krishna's ear, and they go down some distance. They hang to his cheek. They dangle here. They're quite large earrings. And these kundal represent a vahan, a deva vahan. Vahan means a carrier, a vehicle, like an airplane. So the different devas, they have different vahans.